Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to teach you how to change your profile name on Facebook. First, click the Facebook app. Next, we're going to click the three lines in the right-hand corner, and then we're going to click Settings and Privacy. Right there. Great. And then we're going to click Settings. Now we're going to click Account Center. Next, we're going to click Profiles. Right there. Great. Next, we're going to click Your Profile. Now we're going to click Name. Now you can change your first name, or your middle name, or your last name. And then after that, you click Save Changes. And then, just like that, your name is changed. Unfortunately, you are not allowed to change your name for the next 60 days, but so make sure that your name counts. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like if any of this information has helped you today. Thanks for watching. Oh, also, if you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments. Bye.